Hey there, future affiliate marketing superstar. Are you ready to unlock the secret to making money online even if you're starting from scratch? Let me tell you, this is one of the best ways to start generating passive income, and it all starts with a simple concept. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start earning affiliate income as a complete beginner. No fluff, just actionable steps to get you going today. So, grab a notebook and let's dive in. First things first, what is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's when you promote someone else's product or service, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. Think of it as being a matchmaker between awesome products and people who need them. Let's say you found this amazing new coffee maker that makes the perfect cup every single time. You love it so much that you tell all your friends about it, and some of them even end up buying it because they trust your judgment. With affiliate marketing, you can get paid for those recommendations. You'd partner with the coffee maker company, get a special link from them, and share that link with your audience. Every time someone buys the coffee maker through your link, boom, you get a commission. The best part? You don't need to create your own product, handle inventory, or worry about shipping. You just focus on sharing great products with the world. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Step 1. Pick a niche. This is just a fancy word for your area of focus. Are you passionate about fitness? Obsessed with tech gadgets? Love gaming? The key is to choose something you're genuinely interested in. Why? Because you're going to be creating a lot of content around this niche. Whether it's blog posts, videos, social media updates, or anything else, it needs to come from a genuine place. Think about it. Would you rather create content about something you're truly passionate about, or something you find boring? The answer is obvious. Plus, when you're passionate about your niche, it's clear to your audience. They can see your excitement, your knowledge, and your genuine desire to help them. That translates into trust, and trust translates into sales. Step 2. Join affiliate programs. Now that you have your niche, it's time to find products and services to promote. The good news is, there are tons of platforms where you can sign up for free. Some of my favorites include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank, but there are so many others out there. Each program gives you a unique affiliate link to share. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Easy, right? Here's a pro tip. Start with products you already use and love. It's easier to recommend something when you truly believe in it. Think about the products you use every single day. Your phone, your laptop, your favorite clothes, your go-to coffee shop. Chances are, there are affiliate programs for all of them. When you genuinely love a product, it shows in your recommendations. You can talk about it with passion, authenticity, and detail that you just can't fake. Chapter 4. Create valuable content. This is where the magic happens. You need to share your affiliate links in a way that's helpful and engaging. Simply plastering your links all over the place without any context isn't going to cut it. People are smart, and they can see right through that. Instead, focus on providing value first. Think about your target audience. What are their pain points? What problems are they facing? How can the products you're promoting help them solve those problems? Here are a few ideas. Write a blog post reviewing the product. Create a YouTube tutorial showing how to use it. Post on Instagram or TikTok with tips and tricks related to the product. The key is to be creative and think outside the box. What kind of content would you want to see if you were in your target audience's shoes? Chapter 5. Drive traffic to your content. Step 4. Get people to see your content. You've created amazing, valuable content that's sure to resonate with your target audience. Now what? It's time to get those eyeballs on your work. Share your content on social media, optimize it for search engines with relevant keywords, or join forums and online communities where your target audience hangs out. Remember, it's all about connecting with people who are genuinely interested in what you have to say. Don't be afraid to reach out to other creators in your niche and collaborate on projects. Guest post on other blogs, do interviews on podcasts, or even host webinars or online workshops. The more visible you are, the more traffic you'll drive to your content, and the more opportunities you'll have to earn those sweet, sweet affiliate commissions. Chapter 6. Track your progress and improve. Step 5. Track your progress. Most affiliate programs have dashboards where you can see how many clicks and sales you're generating. This is incredibly valuable information, so don't just glance at it and move on. Use this data to figure out what's working and double down on it. Are people clicking on your links from Instagram, but not from Facebook? Are certain blog posts performing better than others? Pay attention to these trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and consistency to see real results. Don't get discouraged if you don't start raking in the cash right away. Just keep creating valuable content, promoting it effectively, and analyzing your results. Over time, you'll start to see your efforts pay off. And that's it. You now have a simple roadmap to start making affiliate income as a complete beginner. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Oh, and check out the description for links to my favorite affiliate programs to get you started. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The most successful affiliate marketers are the ones who are constantly learning, adapting, and improving their strategies. Start today, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. See you in the next video.